a cold weekend, but it didn't stop Bob from playing some golf
Right.
and playing really well, I heard, huh?
That tip that I got, at the Manatee Golf Course really worked out. So
Paid off.
Yeah, finally paid off. Yeah, it was nice and cool, but it was actually colder Sunday morning. Played Saturday morning, then the temperatures dropped throughout the day. It was a blustery weekend, to say the least. Things have improved considerably, and the sunset just as nice tonight. Get a look at this. This is from Castelia, Ansley, and the Sarasota Bayfront. Sunrise tomorrow. We'll see it return at 7:21 under clear skies. And speaking of clear, Lakewood Ranch was clear throughout the day today as a result of high pressure. Just in the last few frames, you'll see some clouds come back in at the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere associated with that jet stream now, and a little bit of cloudiness along the east coast. But the weather headlines read like this. It looks as though we'll see warmer temperatures tomorrow. Highs will be back to near seasonal averages, but just for one day only. And then another cold front will move through late Wednesday, and looks like late Wednesday afternoon. And that means wind chill advisories will be back with us as early as Thursday morning, with wind chills down around 30 degrees. Now, the satellite and radar review showing those high clouds moving off from the south to the east associated with the subtropical jet stream, which has really been pushed south now. A few showers along the east coast and high pressure dominating the weather now, with the winds rotating around it in that clockwise fashion. We're getting that northeasterly flow, and that means still a little bit on the cool side. This evening, temperature by 11 o'clock now at 52 degrees under fair skies, and we'll see temperatures right around 48, 49 degrees for lows. No rain chance at all here. And in fact, the next cold front that moves through Wednesday afternoon will not produce any rainfall, looks like, as the air will just be too dry out ahead of it to squeeze anything out. As far as our current conditions go, it's 63, and the dew point is at 47. That number's come up a little bit. North winds are also subsiding somewhat. They're at 8 miles an hour. The pressure 30.28. And that continues to rise. The high today, 69 degrees, a couple degrees shy of the average. 55 in Tallahassee, 44 right now in Jacksonville. It's 70, though, still mild in Miami. And the satellite and radar review showing some snow falling now as the storm kind of gathers over Texas and Oklahoma, and a little bit of a clipper system moving through the Ohio Valley, bringing some snow earlier into places like Toledo and also Cincinnati. It's starting to lessen up somewhat there. And you can see that snow falling in western Pennsylvania and western New York tonight, too, as a result of that fast-moving system. But another one developing now over the southern plains states. This is the forecast model showing that blue that you see here and that, again, white around there. That's the snow expected to fall as far south as near New Orleans and into central sections of Mississippi, as well as into Alabama. And then even in the panhandle of Florida, we have a rain-snow kind of mix there occurring on Wednesday morning early. Now, we're not going to get any of that here, but as I said, a dry cold front, we may see a little increase in cloudiness come Wednesday afternoon, and then the winds switch around and really turn cold for us here along the west coast of Florida. Well, here's the deep south snow down into Texas, Louisiana, and look at there, right there in Arkansas. You get up to 3 to 6 inches of snowfall. Lesser amounts as you push further to the south and east, but still there all the way up into the Ohio Valley, where a little bit more snow will fall. The winds will pick up considerably on into Wednesday afternoon. Once that front passes, you'll see that quite clearly by 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock in the morning. They start to pick up and really increase throughout the afternoon. So small craft advisories will be back with us as early as Wednesday afternoon, and temperatures are really dropping. Currently at 6 in Kansas City, 3 in Minneapolis now, 14 in Chicago, and you factor in the wind, it's minus 13 in Kansas City, minus 23 in Minot. So it is really getting back to winter across most of the eastern third of the nation. For boaters, a windy start tomorrow. Northeast winds 15 knots, subsiding to 5 to 10 in the afternoon. Tides on your screen. Sun rise will be at 7:21. The forecast tonight mostly fair, not as cold and breezy. 48 for your low, and then tomorrow look for a high of 70. 49 to start things off Wednesday morning, then we'll warm to 60s, mid-60s. That front will come in. We'll see an increase in clouds late in the afternoon, and then the wind chill at 30 on Thursday morning. So it's going to be a very cold start. Wind chill advisories will be with us. But after that, not bad. Back in the 70s we go.